Hey, please, no paparazzi, please.
No paparazzi. ये चर्च इतना बड़ा है, इतना बड़ा, इतना बड़ा। नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम आपको दिखाते हैं कैथेड्रल दे ला मेजर। So today is our final day in south of France and we are here in Marseille. So technically it's our second day in Marseille and it's not our final day. Like
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
we are leaving tomorrow, so it's like second last day. So today we are gonna explore the whole Marseille and we're gonna try the local things, try the local food, or maybe try some local drinks. We have had pasties yesterday. Today we're gonna try some local beer and we're gonna roam around the city and see some sights. And we're gonna go to the Notre Dame on the top of the hill. And we'll see, like maybe we'll go to some island also, so we'll take you along. And we're not walking today, we'll mostly take the velo because the city is huge and it's the second largest city of France, so obviously it's going to be big. So we're gonna be riding and I've worn like perfect attire for riding the bicycle. And the first thing we are going to go for the breakfast at this very high rated or top rated place, L'Infusion. It's like a street food sort of a thing. It's basically you get the French food and the breakfast or brunch kind of a food. So we are going to go to L'Infusion. Let's go. Let him figure out his map. I think by the end of the day we'll be able to have our breakfast. It's just only 210 meters away from here.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है।
तो नहीं जाना?
नहीं।
We just finished our breakfast and it was so good and so filling, and my baby belly is coming right now.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
So we are going at the moment to Les Peniers, which is like the old town, and we are walking by the viewport. It's the port area of Marseille, and we have at least come here like twice or thrice yesterday, but I think we live here very nearby to the viewport, so anywhere we have to go, we have to go from here and look at the view. Looking so beautifully. I think we have entered into the Les Peniers. So colorful and beautiful. Unlike my personality. So finally we have come to Les Peniers, which is the old town, and all of the lanes are like this only. They're so colorful and these are all of the houses. They are so colorful and beautiful. Unlike my personality. I think a lot of shops and cafes are not open yet. I think they open by 11 or something. Make art, not war. I think all of his painting gear. And this is the inside of his gallery. This is one of the painting that I like. Co-location. This is the place if you want to come here. Les Maisons du Petit Canal. C'est pastis bleu. I can't get over with the beauty of this place, man. But can you see? कपड़े सुखा रखे लोगों ने. अरे यार, look at the monkey is having the pasties on his hand and he's climbing the church which we are supposed to go. The church is on the hill itself And a putong. So we have walked the entire Le Penier and now we have come to the seaside, and which is by the Cathedral de la Major. So this was also one of the places we wanted to see, and we have randomly walked to this place. And let me just show you the view from here. So that was the old town from where we have come, and I think this entire place is like a part of old town inside. And this is the view by the sea. It's actually really pretty, and you can see one cruise here and another one there, and this is the Cathedral de la Major. Now we'll sit here for some time and we'll see if we can enter the cathedral. I don't think so it's open or the construction is going on. ये church कितना बड़ा है? कितना बड़ा? इतना बड़ा. ठीक है, इतना बड़ा नहीं है. इसका 2D में चर्च है. मैं दिखाती हूँ चर्च कितना बड़ा है. ये चर्च इतना बड़ा है. कितना बड़ा? इतना बड़ा. Can you do namaste from the back of your hand? ऐसे नहीं, रुको मैं तुम्हें करके दिखाती हूँ. नमस्कार दोस्तों.
कच्चू डेल है.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम आपको दिखाते हैं कैथीड्रल de la Major.
पैर भी उल्टे कर सकती है क्या?
पैर कैसे उल्टे करते हैं?
Don't get into those maths.
घुमा पैर, पंजे घुमा. अरे पेंगुइन.
I think I know how to say penguin. I'll say penguins.
कैसे?
जैसे हाथ कैसे कर रहे ऐसे पैर.
अब तुम अपने हाथ करके दिखाओ.
अब ये करके दिखाओ.
ऐसे नीचे वाला स्टमक से चलेगा.
अरे नीचे नहीं, इसको ऐसे घुमा. आप करो, ऊपर करो.
बावड़ा भाई.
ये राज भी उसी के साथ चला गया.
That is there is museum, not museum, it's a museum of European and Mediterranean civilization. In short form, it's museum, which is apparently closed today, so we cannot go there. So we have seen it from outside. Bye bye. This is us before 12 p.m. and this is us for the rest of the day. Now we are going to Notre Dame de la Garde, and we thought we'll bike here because it was showing only just 16 minutes, and thank God we didn't get the bikes here because it's so slant. Can you see? I think it's like 30 or 40 degree of elevation. No, 20, 30, it will be 30, near about 20 to 30 degree of elevation. We can hardly walk here, and after this we'll go to the beach and chill there. How slant is the way. You can pick the bike from here. That, my friend, can you see, is the Notre Dame de la Garde. Look at the guy biking here. He looks like a pro. Can't even properly bike. And we, being noobs,
I am noob.
we were thinking we'll come here by the bike. Thank God we have not been that stupid, and we have come on our foot. This is the entire Marseille city. Now we have finally arrived to the Notre Dame de la Garde, which is in English basically called Our Lady of the Garde, and the local French people from Marseille, they call it La Bonne Mère, which means like the Holy Mother. And we have climbed all the way from there, and there's also like a bus comes, like the bus number 60, but we being we we would like to burn all of our calories which we have eaten in the morning. So we climbed there and we are so tired. Look at our faces. Maybe we'll sit here for some time and see the church, and then later on go back downstairs to the beach and maybe chill there and have lunch there. And yes, this church is also the natural highest point of the city Marseille, which is around 146 or 149 meters of altitude. And now we're gonna go back. Bye. Sachin, what were you saying about the black coffee or espresso?
Like people even drink it.
So actually, Sachin's throat he was feeling cold. So he's like, okay, I'll get some coffee. And there was some fault in the machine that only had like, I think, black coffee. So he got not espresso, he got cafe long. So, and then he's like, how can people drink espresso? How can people drink black coffee? And to my argument, or to my point to that argument, is that the people who don't like black coffee or espresso, they actually don't like the flavor of coffee. They like the coffee in the form of sweet dessert, which Starbucks is really famous for that, and that's why I hate Starbucks. So what? You don't like coffee?
Yeah, that's why Sam likes Starbucks.
He likes dessert on the name of coffee. But you gotta drink that.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Now we have come to the beach, and this beach is in the Marseille, but it's like 2-3 kilometers away from the city center, called La Plage, which in English means the beach. They have not put any effort to name this beach. It's simply just the beach. And we're gonna chill here, and we're gonna have our lunch here. We have packed the sandwiches and salads and everything. We are eating a lot in this trip for sure. But then we are walking also. But I don't think so. The walking and the cycling, everything can compensate. And the walking and the cycling, everything can compensate the amount of food we are eating. But yeah, we're gonna chill on the beach, go into the water, swim. No, we don't know swimming, so we can't swim. We'll just go into the water and chill and try to float. We can't even float. I can't even float on the beach, like on the water. I have to learn swimming. That's like the number one thing I have to do after going from here. Once the COVID or everything gets a little normal.
Hey, please, no paparazzi, please.
No paparazzi. So. One photo, so.
I also have a life.
You have a life? So, I remember that Zakir Khan thing. Table for two, so. Table for two, so. That's the way to the beach. We're gonna go down from here. Now we are at the Monument de Rimbaud, which was made as a memorial for the artist or a poet called Arthur Rimbaud. And then he died here in Marseille at the age of 37 because he used to be an African, but because he had some cancer on his leg or something, and then he came here for the treatment. So he was doing his poetries and everything in France. I think before he made this monument with the sand, and then later on I think he made this structure. This is called the Drunken Ship because Arthur Rimbaud has a poem called the Drunken Ship. Does it look like a ship? I don't know. And it's by the beach, by the way, on the La Plage. Does it look like a ship? तुम्हें लग रहा है ship जैसा? See the lifeguard. They are walking here and there because of people like us. Sachin, how was your time at beach? Chill. Literally chill. Now we're gonna enjoy on the beach and have a lunch. And if this video is also ever going to make on my YouTube, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.